What's up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto. I'm Xander, and let's get started because I want to talk about Verge. Verge, guys. Verge is a coin that I've been holding since way before it jumped. When I got it at 1 cent, it jumped up to 4, 5, 10. It hit all the way up to 30, as you guys know, all you Verge heads. I know there's a big community behind it. The number one privacy coin, guys. If you're watching it, it's going up. It's getting big. So, I'm just putting this video out as soon as I possibly can because if you guys want to get into Verge, this might be the last minute that you can because it's already, I hoped you got it back when it was dipping at 14 cents, guys. It's been settling around 17, 18, and then it just skyrocketed for, I don't know, I think it's the Wrath Protocol. Wrath Protocol came out. And man, it hit like 25 cents on Binance, and then it dipped a little bit, and it's still sitting at a little bit of a dip at 22. That's a little bit higher than I would want to get in on it, but we've already seen it hit 30 cents, so we know it's a possibility. So even if you jump in now, there's still a good 40% profits in the future. If not, it could still double. I think that Verge has a lot of room to grow, only sitting at a $3 billion market cap. This could easily hit $10 billion in the next couple of days. So, I'm not telling you whether you should buy in now or not. I hope you already hold a bunch of them. This is a large portion of my portfolio. So I'm sitting pretty right now because, man, I was sitting at my portfolio wasn't too good whenever it was at 14 cents. But now that it's gone up to 22, that is major gains for me. I hope you're getting gains too. Let's check out their website, get a little bit more detail. What Verge is Verge is a secure and anonymous cryptocurrency built with a focus on privacy. So what they do, I think privacy coins are going to become more and more effective, especially with taxes coming into play. So people want to be able to exchange coins and stuff like that without anyone else knowing who's doing it. So the more private, the better. And this is like the OG privacy coin. So that's why a lot of people back it. Let's see if there's anything that came up. Plus, they're on everything. Bittrex, Cryptopia, Binance, HitBTC. They're on so many things. They have real-world applications where you can actually spend this coin, which is amazing because you can't spend cryptocurrencies everywhere. But that's really great that you can on so many places already. Let's see the Q4 release schedule. Contributors, developers. Alright, guys. Verge is just something that is huge. And there's been a lot of hate on Verge. If you've watched the forums and stuff like that, people saying it's a scam. People thinking, because it dipped so hard, and it did dip hard. And I say that is a scary thing whenever you're holding it at 30 cents and then you see it hit 14 and below that. It's a scary thing because you lost 50% of your money. That's a lot. But it's going back up. And this is not something that's just going to go away. This coin is here to stay. I think it's up there. I wouldn't say it's as good a project as maybe Ripple or, a couple other ones, but it's definitely one of the top, and I think it's earned its place at number 21. And I think that it could definitely hit a $10 billion market cap within the next week, fighting its spot for top 10 with IOTA and Tron. I think it's right up there. And if you've noticed, the trends have been very similar with Tron and Verge. They're sitting near the same price, except that there's less Verge coins than there are Tron, so they're going to be worth more each. And there's a lot more room for Verge to grow versus Tron sitting at a $3 billion market cap and Tron sitting at almost $10 billion. So in order for Verge to hit Tron's level, it'll multiply by 3. So all you guys that are in Tron, I think that's a smart position too. I just think that personally, Verge has more room to grow. I know Sean is huge on Tron, and I have a lot of position in Verge. So that's our that's where we separate right there. And I guess we'll see who gets more because he took out a huge position in, Electroneum. And I had Electroneum for a little bit. Once I doubled my money, I got out of it. I held a lot of Redcoin. Redcoin, I got about 7 times my money. He decided to put in Electroneum, and he got like triple times his money. So, he did good too, but it's about the most gains you can possibly get. So I think Verge has more potential than Tron. That's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I think it's a pretty good opinion, obviously, but hey, do your own due diligence, study this stuff up, do a lot of research, know what's going on. I just wanted to get this video out there as quickly as possible because Verge is skyrocketing right now and just going up, up, up. I'm hoping it won't dip again. I already have some preset sales just in case I'm sleeping and that it goes up really high. But it's been asleep for a couple of days now. Okay, guys, it's been, as you can see, that it's been steadily it's just been steady, which means it could easily hit something huge because you can see this. We talked about this before. It going up, staying steady, and then shooting up, staying steady, going up, way up. Look at that big jump. And now this huge flat line. That could symbol that it's going to just shoot up dramatically. Getting 4, 5, 6 times your gains, guys. Just ridiculous. So I'm not telling you whether to buy it or not, but I'm saying that it wouldn't be the worst decision. Maybe put out a small position into it. I think Verge is going to go to the moon, guys. I think Verge is going to do very well. I have high stakes in it, and I believe in it. So, but other than that, guys, follow us on Twitter. I'm at Xander Smith 777, Xander with an X, and follow Sean at Sean 10X. But other than that, leave a comment below. Let us know what we're doing right. I'm pumping out a lot more videos now by myself, but I will still be doing videos with Sean as well. He's just we're not always able to get together. But I hope that's not too bad. I hope you guys like me as well. Because I really like you guys. I like y'all's comments. I'm always the one reading them and getting back to y'all. And if y'all have any questions, I'll research them and get back to you as quickly as possible. You guys have been great. Thank you for 150 subscribers now. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and see you later, guys.